hard time this Operation Dudula stop harassing foreigners. It's hard time they stop assaulting.
Sure bafethu King Leo la wana lo yasinyela lo usijwayela amasimba maretal Nigeria tech, and I'm sure he's making this video. He's not even in Nigeria. He is in a foreign country, and yet he's gonna talk about Operation Dudula. And he's gonna talk about harassment. Wazini harassment la masimba la. Yasijwayela lo. Yabona? But anyway, ethi nami ngingabe emotional, you know. Let me just use logic and sense to share my opinion about this whole thing. Currently, as it stands, it's community members that are stopping foreigners from accessing healthcare. It's not Operation Dudula. PA, as a political party, has been in the forefront of this thing. So Operation Dudula can claim they are in the forefront and they are blocking people. It's fine, we don't care. They can do that. But we know that it is community members that are at the forefront of this whole thing. And we know how this thing started in Daneville, led by a community activist of Daneville in Pretoria. It was never a program of Operation Dudula. Yes, by KMON, but it's fine. We don't care. 2. Here's what is happening in KZN. It's going to happen in Joburg pretty soon. About what is happening in KwaZulu-Natal, it's gonna happen in Gauteng, and when it does happen, trust me, it's gonna be worse than what you are seeing there. And believe you me, we know Uguti foreigners in KZN are a bit afraid of doing certain things because they understand the type of people that are in KZN. Uguti, they don't have time to play. While we here in Gauteng, we are a little bit, relaxed. And it gives foreigners this false illusion of thinking that we cannot fight back. Trust me, we can. We can fight back. And there's no harassment here. You cannot come into this country and break laws and bribe your way into anything and everything with fake documentation of everything that you are doing and think, we are just going to sit back and do nothing. So consider this a friendly advice from me. Pretty soon, uzoshuba. And what you are seeing happening in KZN is nothing compared to what you are going to see happening in Joburg. And believe you me, not even the police that you are bribing will be able to protect you. We are just waiting for that one thing to happen. We are just waiting for that one thing to happen. And we know foreigners in Gauteng are going to do it because they think they are in control. You see, the situation of Jacinda, I said to you guys, Jacinda unbambe ngamasende. Whether you guys like it or not, unbambe ngamasende uJacinda. You couldn't even stand up to one guy, Untlantla Lux, during the times that Dudula is a civic movement. He was alone, showing you flames, and you think you're going to take on the rest of us. You have no idea what is about to happen. Yes, we are well aware there will be casualties, but I can tell you, yours will be more than ours. But he must just go back to Nigeria and fold and face that old Matala there and fight for himself to can enjoy certain privileges that he's enjoying in South Africa. These Nigerians, they claim Mugutibane Mali, but funny enough, they are fighting for free health care. I don't even go to public clinics. I take my kids to a private doctor. I pay money. but bona they are fighting for free healthcare. Somalis, they have shops and they are making millions, but they are still fighting to go to the free healthcare facility. How poor do you have to be? You know, this poor mindset, you know, that these foreigners have. I don't understand it. Sorry, like, I don't understand it. Like, this poor mindset of Nigerians, this poor mindset of Zimbabweans, this poor mindset of Somalis, this poor mindset of, you know, these foreign black guys. I don't understand. They should actually learn from white foreign men. They don't use all these facilities and they don't stay with us in the townships. When they come here, they stay in the suburbs. And when they seek for medical attention, they go to private clinics. As much as they are foreigners and as much as they are illegal, they do not mix with ordinary South Africans. They do their things there. But you guys, you want to come here and fight for the smaller things that we get as South Africans. And when you should go back to Nigeria and go fight so that you can have flushing toilets, so that you can have proper roads, so that you can have proper hospitals. Because we know you come from a shithole country. But anyway, it is what it is. I don't care. Once. Peace be upon you all.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. So this is King Leo. He is responding to the first short clip lesiyibonile la in Nigeria belikhuluma ukuthi banbe Operation Dudula, they need to stop harassing ma foreigners, and uyasho nje ukuthi ayibo ninjani kahle nine uma nihlupheka nifuna kuhluphekela ala South Africa, nihlupheke nathi sibe vele nathi sitihluphekela. Uthi niyathanda futhi ukukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi abelungu nabo ma foreigner wayebangaqoshi ma foreigner. Uthi mabelungu abasihluphi ngalutho, belungu bahlalela bodwa le ma suburbs, mabagula bahambe batele ema private, thina nabo nje asishayisana sihlangane, but nini nifuna kuhlangana nathi nambele lama public clinic lesiwahambelako nisiminye emakasi. Uthi ngiyo nje into lesicabanisa kakhulu nani, and uma ningafuni kuhamba kusatoshuba, uthi maniqabanga ukuthi lokwenteka lapha eKZN ku-wrong, uthi nisatobona mhlolo ke lapha eJohannesburg in ma-foreigner nidoze nihambe. Uthi but leyo bayohamba ngengane. Uthi nje into hamba ngengane nemanga. Uthi nalento yokubhizinethi yebani be-Operation Dudula baqosha ama-foreigner ema-clinic. Uthi akusasi bani be-Operation Dudula, ma-community members laqosha abantu bokuqhamuka ema-clinic because bakhathele. Uthi nje nasikhathele kani nihamba nini. Uyabona nje ukuthi ma-foreigners awadimiselanga ngokuhamba, bahleli and baze banema-groups la bakhuluma khona badiscussa khona, badiscussa ngathi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.